Hello guys, welcome to Vision channel, and today I want to show you a short video how to work with Android Pie on Leeco L3 Pro Elite version. Yes, as you already see, I'm using latest Android 9 Pie on this mobile phone. Everything is working fine. All applications, all system settings, everything just as I like. Blazing fast. So today in this short video I want to show you how to enable split screen function on Android Pie. First of all, what you need to do is push recent button, and also here you can see recent applications. You just need to click on a application logo up here, and as you can see there's a function split screen, and then you just choose another application you want to make a split screen with, and just click on this one. As you can see, you have a split screen here, and now you can multitask. You have two screens, you can watch some video and do your job here. Enjoy your phone better than before. You don't need to close some applications to see another applications and so on. This is just a nice function for multitasking. So that's a short video I wanted to show today. I'll see you here on Vision channel soon. Bye bye.